Your home's doors do more than just open and close. They create first impressions, provide protection, and help define your home's style. Over time, however, doors wear down, making replacement a smart investment for homeowners. If you live in Farmington Hills and are considering upgrading your entry or interior doors, here are the top benefits you'll enjoy. Boosted curb appeal. A door is one of the first things guests notice about your home. Replacing an outdated or worn entry door instantly elevates your property's curb appeal. Modern door designs come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to match your home's architecture, whether you prefer a sleek contemporary look or a timeless traditional style. For Farmington Hills homeowners, upgrading your front door not only makes your home more welcoming but can also increase its value when it's time to sell. Improved energy efficiency. Michigan's weather brings cold winters and hot summers, and inefficient doors can drive up your energy bills. Newer doors are designed with advanced insulation and weather stripping that keep conditioned air inside and block drafts. Materials like fiberglass and steel often outperform older wooden doors in terms of thermal performance. By replacing your door, you'll create a tighter seal, reducing energy loss and making your home more comfortable year-round. Enhanced home security. Your doors are your home's first line of defense. A replacement door made from strong, durable materials provides greater protection against break-ins. Modern doors often come with reinforced frames, high-quality locks, and impact-resistant features. For Farmington Hills families, upgrading your doors means peace of mind knowing your loved ones and belongings are safer. Increased home value. Door replacement is one of the most cost-effective home improvement projects when it comes to return on investment, ROI. According to national reports, homeowners often recoup a significant portion of the cost when selling their property. In Farmington Hills' competitive real estate market, a stylish and energy-efficient door can be a major selling point for potential buyers. Reduced maintenance. Older doors can warp, crack, or peel, requiring frequent repairs and repainting. Modern door materials, such as fiberglass or composite, resist moisture, pests, and weather damage. This means you'll spend less time maintaining your door and more time enjoying your home. A new door offers durability and longevity, so you can expect years of reliable use with minimal upkeep. Better comfort and noise reduction. If your current doors let in drafts or outside noise, replacement can make a world of difference. High-quality doors provide excellent insulation and soundproofing, keeping your home quiet and comfortable. Whether you live near busy streets or simply want a more peaceful indoor environment, new doors create a noticeable improvement in your daily living experience. Personalization and style options. Replacing your doors allows you to choose styles that reflect your taste and lifestyle. From decorative glass panels to custom hardware finishes, the options are nearly endless. For Farmington Hills homeowners who value personalization, this is a chance to create a door that not only functions well but also enhances your home's unique character. Final thoughts. Door replacement in Farmington Hills offers a wide range of benefits, from improved energy efficiency and security to boosted curb appeal and home value. Whether you're looking to refresh your home's appearance, lower energy bills, or make your living space more comfortable, a new door is a worthwhile investment. By choosing a high-quality replacement door, you'll enjoy long-lasting performance and peace of mind while giving your home a fresh new look.